Hey, what's up, you guys? I am dyeing my hair. We finally got to that point in quarantine. I put a little bit of bleach on the ends because we're testing to see if the ends will dye, because I use black box dye and I might burn my hair off. So I decided this would be perfect content. I'm only dyeing the front strips and bleaching them, and then I'm gonna dye them blue. I don't have the blue dye right now, so that's a later thing, but as we can tell, my hair is not blue. But that's because we could not get the desired bleach effect. So here we are. Yeah, we're gonna do this. And I have not started dyeing this strand yet. But yeah, we're starting with the tips because it's gonna take them the longest to process. So I'm gonna process the tips and then process the middle and then do my roots. Which I think I'm gonna wait until somebody can help me to do my roots. This was also a lie because I have absolutely no patience and I want instant gratification. So I did it myself. The homies just went to pick up a cat. I did not join that excursion because I decided to do this with a migraine, but I don't want to be in the car with a migraine because that is just not a fun place to be with a migraine. So we're gonna do this. I'm not uncomfortable, but I feel so uncomfortable. Alright, we have the tips. And these are just gonna fucking process. Nothing has started melting off yet, so like, I think it's gonna be okay. I don't know about you, but I think it's gonna be okay. Aha! Check-in time. I did more, and it's taking very slowly. It is, I'm gonna have to process this a few times, so I'm gonna do it once tonight, and then try again tomorrow. I don't really care what happens at this point. Y'all gonna see me looking like this, regardless. And who knows, this might be the saga that turns into me shaving my head. I don't give a fuck. So, that's just a little update. We'll come back with the different results later. Another verification, I processed it twice that night. And the next clip is the result of that. Okay. So this was not the desired outcome. I was trying to get it bleached, but this is kind of something that I was anticipating. I worked for like 3 hours, and this is what the top looks like. So I look a little wild, but I really like it. I'm down to look like this if this is what happens. Hello, we are on hour 5, day 2. Of trying to bleach my hair. My roots look insane. They look insane. But it's still not really taking. I don't really care though. That's the thing. I was gonna dye it blue, but if it doesn't take, I'm just gonna get red dye and we're gonna say fuck it. Cause I don't really care. I'm surprised my hair is holding up this well because it feels fine. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna feel after I get done with this one. But I'm gonna condition it after this, and yeah, that's where we're at. Yeah. The final e-girl transformation took us a minute to get here, but here we are. I like it a lot. I like the way the black kind of spots into the pink, but this is it. That was not a formal outro, so here's me in the future the next day saying that's it from me this week. I'll be back next time with something else. Thanks for watching if you stuck around this long. Peace out.